Lemon Learning makes software easy and accelerates digital software adoption. How? With this little bubble integrated directly into any web-based tool that you may use on a daily basis, for instance here in Google Suite. Lemon Learning is very easy to use. You just have to click on the bubble. The shelf contains guides for any task you may need to complete in G Suite. Here, we're in Google Drive, so we have all the Google Drive guides available to us. For instance, if we want to learn how to sort files in Google Drive, we'll click the section Organize and Search Your Files and launch the guide Sort Your Files. The user is guided step by step thanks to interactive guides. Using the approach Learning by Doing, users gain immediate proficiency in their everyday tasks. And thanks to direct integration, training doesn't disrupt work by making users exit their tool to learn. Users learn what they need when they need it. This immediate 24/7 access to training increases self-sufficiency. This content is easy to use, but it's also easy to create. No coding or technical skills are required. You can create a guide in just a few clicks. All you have to do is click on the Lemon Learning extension in your browser. This will open the Edit Guide screen. From here, you can create a guide by clicking New Guide and choosing a name and language for your guide. When creating a step, you can choose from several pre-made templates. You can also create a step yourself, customize the font, formatting, color, and much more for each step. With Lemon Learning, engage users with personalized G Suite training courses. Provide on-demand learning and real-time assistance. Increase G Suite adoption and reduce support costs. Lemon Learning is available for G Suite or for any web-based tool you may have, including CRMs, ERPs, and even in-house tools.